So as I told you before, you know, right now one Lafayette and Marcus Garvey, right? And as I say, everybody know what a current circuit is, right? So a current circuit, you understand? A current circuit, if they're using the US color code, I don't know, the color code is blue, red, gray, brown, and yellow and green, right? Which is the earth, right? But there are contractors coming here, right? And everybody know the circuit is. This is the circuit here, right? These grids here and the ground here is the circuit for the system, right? And the buildings is the circuit, right? So on this side here was once brown, right? Where they just stop, where people just stop and just put the energy into it, the current number in it. Here was once brown, now they paid red. Across there is still black, so the circuit in continuity is working good, right? Across there is red, right? And across here on that side is red too. So it's red, 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 black. You understand what I'm saying? What kind of circuit is that? Right? So this is a construction company. This is a construction company, or one of the construction companies that passing and destroying the circuit. You understand what I'm saying? And here what's going on. They're getting contracts. They're getting contracts from the government. Oh, when we say New York, I don't know who they're getting the contracts from, but this is for you all to look into, you know. So on this side here where I'm walking here, right? I'm walking here and this is happening on between Lafayette and Van Buren, you know. And on Van Buren there's a new construction company operating, right? So this section here on a circuit, right? When I say the wire content, when a wire in a circuit, and everybody know the US. If you're not using the British, which is red and black. Red, black, and green, right? You use the US. The US circuit is black or gray. You understand what I'm saying? Red and green and yellow, which is 8, and brown and blue, right? So the construction company here, and they're going paying work. I don't know what it is, Met, so whatever the case is. You understand what I'm saying? Nah, Met is a snack company, right? It's not Met, it's a different company. But this year, everything good with the pavement here, right? Nothing wrong with the pavement. Everything good here. Continuity, everything working good. Nothing change, you understand what I'm saying? I want to cross, but the bus service working here. But they gave me a chance to cross, you understand what I'm saying? So here we're going on here. This company here, now coming. And this was once wrong, as I showed in the last video. This was once wrong, you understand what I'm saying? So this is what they're doing here. No elements, you understand what I'm saying? No elements to attract continuity, you understand what I'm saying? On the foundation where they're playing on the circuit, because this is a circuit, This is a circuit, you understand what I'm saying? And this is what causing continuity on the whole circuit, for the circuit to be managed correctly, you understand what I'm saying? So we can be able to walk properly on the circuit, you know, and not fall or break our spine, right? So this traffic sign here is signaled through the current on the circuit itself, right? I don't know what color code they're going to put here. Because this was once brown. This was once brown here. I don't know what color code they use. I don't know what materials they take out. What they did, you understand what I'm saying? But they did something here. And I show you all here was good. In the last video I show you all here was good. But I don't know if they're going to turn it into red. Because I tell you, there's a military out here playing red. They don't want people of copper, you understand what I'm saying? Or brown. Or black people to walk down here. They only want here to be with what do we say, a red people never. So they change it to red, they change across it to red, and now I feel they're going to turn it to red, you understand what I'm saying? Because they have already conquered and claimed here never, you understand what I'm saying? So this is the people that know operating here, this is the company, and I go show you the company. Here is on Van Buren, this is on the Van der Burg, whatever it is Van Buren Street, you understand? Van Buren Street. This is on Van Buren Street and Marcus Garvey, right? And I'm going to show you the brand, the company, you understand what I'm saying, that are selling these people out to destroy the circuit, you know, and change the color code. So when the satellites orbiting above can't see the proper color code, you understand what I'm saying? And they're doing this all over to claim territory, you understand what I'm saying? So this is the company that working here currently here. This is the many people who get the contract here. And somebody get them the contract. You know, somebody get them the contract. This is the company here, right? Somebody get them the contract to do this, you understand what I'm saying? And they're going all around the place. changing the color code of the circuit, you understand what I'm saying? And they're causing SUs on the circuit. Hence the reason why you're seeing all type of SUs taking place. And this is where it's stemming from. They're using the wrong materials. They're using the wrong materials to build the to build back the circuit. Wrong materials. You understand what I'm saying? It has no goal in that. No goal. Nothing to put. Nothing to put continuity inside of the inside of the circuit. Just those materials. Nothing inside of it. Right? And they're doing this all over. They're taking the original the original fibers or the original materials, the original materials from the curved corners, you understand what I'm saying? And taking it and carrying it into the vans, right? They're destroying the whole circuit and changing the color code. So when the satellites orbiting across, they're seeing red here, which was once brown. You understand? So when the AI system, you know, when the AI system trying to create proper what we call direction for traffic, you understand? They get the wrong color pattern. When the satellite orbiting up in the air, they see the wrong pattern. So they can't send the right signal out, you know, they can't send the right signal out. And it causing traffic in different places. You know? This is to sensitize you all of what you all are doing. So when the satellite see here red and across the black, you understand? And it tried to stimulate, it tried to simulate, and understand what I'm saying, to send the right people to walk in the right direction, to create an interval, to create interval rectification for the traffic on a different place. You understand what I'm saying? On a different place. Hence the reason why all these signals are being all these signals are being confabulated. You know, are being misdirected. They're sending the wrong signals just because of the satellite cannot see the right pattern. You know, and they're doing this all over. Hence the reason I probably come out today to wash, you know, and in the area so I could see this happening right here. So this was once brown. This was once brown. And now they're going to it either red or some other color. So they're removing brown from everywhere around here. You know, and you can't tell me, you can't say there are factories that making these things and they're only making red. You can't say that. And you can't say if you're getting a contract to make continuity on a circuit and they don't have the right materials. It means that there's the wrong contractor. Who is the people who is responsible for getting these contracts and who subcontracting these contracts to these people and them to do this type of job? Who is profiting off of this? And that is the question. That is why I'm trying to tell you all, look into this. Because by when the upright walking system, you understand, that which is connected to the satellite system works on this, it sends all the wrong triggers. It sends all the wrong triggers and it causes traffic jams in different areas. And this is what I'm trying to tell you all. This is the circuit here. There are small circuits that is inside of these traffic signals. There are small circuits that are inside of them, right? And there are larger circuits. We call them this. The whole field. This is a whole field of circuit going down here. You know? Hence the reason when you walk on this white line, you feel a current flow. Hence the reason why they have this here. Because this is a part of the circuit. The original people, the original builders know that this is a circuit running from there to there, connected. Hence the reason why I'm telling you all why the original people are not allowed to rebuild back their own home the way that they know it will work. Because when they come and put the wrong signal here and put a red signal here, by moving the brown, they change the whole continuity of the signal that the satellite is orbiting and seeing. So they can't trigger, the satellite now can't trigger the right pulse to the command center to tell them, well, convert on left, convert on right. Google can't get the right operating system for whoever using navigational system to navigate on the car. They cannot get the right signal. Turn left on Van Buren, go straight up and go right on green. They can't get the right signal because they're receiving the wrong signal, you know, on the command center. Hence the reason why a different place might have a traffic build-up because of these different things that they are doing all over. They are causing chaos here. And these ignorant people don't even know nothing about the past, far more less to the present. You understand what I'm saying? Because they don't even know which part it is. They don't know nothing about the history, neither the legacy. All they know about is money. And they are fools, you understand? Who are trying to destroy the circuit, in other words. They are fools, like the criminal who has chopped down trees. As I say, he's a criminal. And he's chopped down trees, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. And I don't afraid them at all, you know? I don't afraid them at all, my boy. He just chopped down trees, you know? Because he's a maintenance man, but I don't afraid nobody. And I'm fully active too. And that's now give him a license to shoot at will, you know? Yeah, at will. Like for all here. The reason why I have to say these things, because these people are responsible for crimes. When they do the wrong thing, it causes a trigger in the next place. They tend to watch here, you know? They tend to watch you and try to put fear into you. Because they might be old and here, but here what's going on. They say, hearken to the ears of the babe and sucklings. And that is how you will learn the truth. And if you can't learn the truth, you will set the rest into bondage. And we are not going into bondage anymore. We refuse to go into bondage. Because of ignorance, we are not going back into bondage. Because of those people who are saying they are leaders and they are not leaders. They are here to set us back in time. They don't want us to go forward. They want us to go backwards, you understand? And now the youth is out here standing up for the rights. They want to pretend that they are the protective forces when they are not. Because they don't know how to protect. All they know is to control. Right? In other words, if the damage is circuit here, if the damage is circuit here, change will happen in the next circuit. Hence the reason they're going from place to place, destroying everything. Let us message go up on here. Right? So when these satellites orbit, because most of them don't have this knowledge, when the satellite orbits, it sends out the wrong pulse to the command center or to either Google or to whatever is the navigation system using to drive your vehicle that is connected to a satellite. Right? So they are mismanaging the satellite position, pulsing, you know, so they can't get the right signal to the command center to send it to the navigational system. In other words, causing traffic in different places, you know. We need change. We need intelligent people to operate. We can't have ignorant people operating no more. Because when an ignorant person is operating, you cause problems in the next circuit. And everybody knows a catastrophe. When a catastrophe happens, it causes ripples, you understand? Ripples, you understand what I'm saying? When a catastrophe happens, it causes ripples in different locations, right? This is for knowledge base. This is for knowledge base. So all these contractors who think that they know what they're doing, and when they done pave somewhere and they make some money off of it and they just go to our next location and of course it's in a different place, they are responsible for it. They are responsible for it, right? I hope here don't turn red, because down there is red, and according to our circuit, if here red and there red, it means that there's no continuity.
Right,
hence the reason why here was brown, right? And down there was black. Right? Power, neutral. Right? So neutral across there, power across here. But if down there is brown, and if down there is red, up here is red, and down there is red, it have no continuity. So the circuit symbols is off. So when the satellite is orbiting, they don't know what they're doing anymore. Right? This is for all here. This is for knowledge base, right? We're not training the engineers, try to teach them the right thing, because most of them they don't know what is going on, and they are causing problems on the ground and causing the satellites that's orbiting to have issues as well. They are causing the satellites that is orbiting to have issues as well. Right?